This is a Dog Day Cicada. He's about to come out of his shell. These cicadas live 2 to 5 years. Most of that time is spent underground. The mama cicadas lay hundreds of eggs in holes in trees.
When they hatch,
They jump down from the tree and burrow under the ground. They hook onto the tree root and suck it, the sap. After a few years, they come out. And then they take off their shell and then they're adult. This is what cicadas look like when they come out of their shell. If you hear cicadas sing their loud song at night, that means that they want to mate with the girl once. So it's the boy would not sing, always. Sometimes you can find cicada shells in the morning that are empty. This is an empty shell. That's where he came out. That hole is where he came out from. Look, Ellie. This cicada I found in that hole. It's not ready to come out yet. It was trying to suck sap from me. It was trying to pierce me and suck sap from me because it fell out of the branch. Here's the hole right there. We're going to have to put it back in the hole because it's not ready to come out yet. I'm going to put it back in because it wants to go back in. Watch it. It's not very deep. Oh, it's sucking sap again. It's hanging onto a branch in there and sucking sap. It's trying to look.